We had a family physician who was just a general doctor, but he had magic in his hands. Anyone who goes to him, just by looking at him, 50% problem solved, another 50% just by talking. And I was fascinated on how they make a diagnosis just by touching people. So I was like, what is the science behind this? I wanted to explore that. And also, my father always wanted to be a doctor, but he couldn't because of so and so reasons. And he always wanted one of his child to be a doctor. And he used to imagine me wearing a white coat and walking on the streets of a particular medical college where I actually studied. So that came true by God's grace and my parents' motivation. So as a dermatologist, I deal with not so life-threatening cases. However, I do see a lot of medical dermatology cases wherein patients are very troubled by their skin. So skin is something that can really trouble you with sleepless nights. So next day when they walk in, come and tell that last night I slept very well, that gives me a sense of, I'm very thankful that they felt better the last night and I'm able to help them that way. Apart from that, we also work on beauty goals, so that also gives a lot of satisfaction to me. We feel very free to work here. We can do the best to the patients here without thinking what is the outcome. Like, we know that sir is always there for us to support us and we have no targets and there's no force that you have to do this. So we are the best versions of ourselves here. And it helps us grow here. We came with less experience and now we have more experience, we have more hands-on and we are more confident here now. As you become a doctor, you should be having more empathy to patients. You should not just scribble some prescriptions just like that. You have to keep in mind about the patient's financial situation, on their outcomes, everything, and it should not be only business, it should be the care that you have for patients, and that is what patients are also looking from doctors these days.